The notifications from Auxiliar Sys-Co-IN is a part of a malicious campaign that targets at showing people dozens of unwanted advertisements. It abuses the legit browser mechanism of push notifications to show advertisements, not only in the browser itself but also in the system notification bar. Such ads contain alarming information like that your computer has a virus and you should install the quote-unquote recommended antivirus immediately. At the same time, you can see the pop-ups promoting a gambling website or a dating service. Everything depends on who has paid the scammers. Despite these pop-ups being nothing but false claims and ads of dodgy websites, there may actually be a malicious program running on your computer. It in fact can cause the appearance of these pop-up notifications. To scan the system for viruses, I recommend using GridInSoft Anti-Malware. This advanced security tool will quickly find and remove any of the malicious or unwanted applications, and will also help you to stop the unwanted pop-ups. Download it by the link in the video description and run a standard scan. This will take around 5 minutes. You can also try to remove the push ads manually. The key reason why these pop-ups appear is the permission to send notifications for the Auxiliar Sys-Co-IN website. To revert these permissions, go to the settings page of your browser and type notifications in the search bar. Here, go to Site Settings and click Notifications once again. That will open the list of websites that are allowed to send push notifications. Here you need to remove every single entry. Once done, just restart the browser for the changes to take effect. One reason why I will still recommend performing an anti-malware scan is because it is quite often to see a malware changing the browser permissions without user knowledge. Manual removal will get rid of the issue for once, but just in a few hours the malware will get these permissions back, and the spam will start again. After the scan, click Clean Out to remove the detected malicious programs. I will also recommend you to reset browser settings, just to wipe the rest of malicious settings that the malware could have potentially set. You can do this using GridInSoft Anti-Malware as well. Just go to the Tools tab, choose the Reset Browser Settings option and pick the browsers you need to reset in the list. Then just click the Reset button. Now the system is clean. Good luck and stay safe online.